Welcome to Healthy Natural Remedies. It is almost mandatory for every Hindu household to have a Tulsi plant in the house. Worshipping, watering, and tending to the Tulsi plant is believed to bring positivity, long life, and prosperity. Tulsi is also called Haripriya and Vaishnavi, meaning Vishnu's beloved. Tulsi plant represents Mercury, which is considered a form of Lord Krishna. So, there are many rules for planting and worshipping Tulsi, which must be followed while planting it. You might have never heard few of these facts. Let's see which rules you should follow.
Tulsi is a herb which increases heat in the body, and Sunday is the day of Lord Sun. So avoid worshipping, watering, and plucking Tulsi leaves on Sunday, during Ekadashi and lunar eclipse. During the rest of the days, basil leaves should not be plucked after sunset. It is prescribed to avoid all the medicine to be consumed on Sundays, which adds heat in the body. Do not pluck the Tulsi leaves before sunrise and after sunset, as its medicinal power gets decreased. Tulsi should never be planted in the ground. Tulsi should always be planted in the pot or Tulsi Vrindavan. Tulsi starts giving inauspicious results when planted in the ground, which may have an impact on the health of the family members. Thursday, especially in the Kartik month, is considered very auspicious to plant Tulsi. Tulsi leaves should not be plucked by women. The reason behind this belief might just shock you. It is believed that women have a high proportion of Raja, meaning the desire component, when compared to men. There is generation of heat energy in the dormant and serene sattvic frequencies present in the Tulsi plant by the touch of women, which leads to decrease in its sattvikta, meaning the sattva quality. Hence, women are prohibited from gathering or plucking the Tulsi leaves. According to Shastras, people who consume meat should not plant Tulsi in their home because in Hinduism, Tulsi is considered as the supreme Vaishnavi. At the same time, tamasic rituals are not used in the worship of Lord Vishnu. Tamasic things or activities are those which may cause harm to the physical and mental well-being of a person. Never keep Tulsi in south direction, because Tulsi placed in this direction always gives inauspicious results. Always plant Tulsi in the north direction, which is considered to be the direction of Mercury. Tulsi should always be placed in the courtyard, center, or northeast or north direction of the house. Tulsi gives the most auspicious results at these places. You should ask Tulsi permission if you want its leaves. The logic behind this is that Tulsi is widely used in Ayurveda for medicinal purposes. It has antimicrobial properties, ursolic acid, and carvacrol elements. This particular belief and more like these were made popular only to discourage the public from destroying this miraculous and holy plant.
That is all for today. If you like the video, please hit like button and subscribe to our channel and hit bell icon and share this video with your friends. Stay healthy, stay fit, God bless you.